Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make soap jelly at home. Soap jelly is a fantastic, budget-friendly option for various cleaning needs, from washing your hands to tackling household chores. It's surprisingly simple to create, requiring just a handful of common items you likely already have. Get ready to transform ordinary bar soap into a delightful, jiggly, and effective cleaning solution that's both fun to make and practical to use. To begin, gather your essential ingredients and tools. You'll need 1 bar of soap, ideally around 3.5 ounces, and 4 cups of water. A tablespoon of glycerin is crucial for achieving that perfect smooth, moisturizing consistency. For equipment, make sure you have a grater, a saucepan for heating, and some heat-safe containers or molds ready for your finished jelly. Having everything prepared makes the process much smoother. Now let's get to the fun part, making the jelly. First, grate your bar of soap into fine shreds. This helps it dissolve much faster. Next, combine the grated soap with 4 cups of water in a saucepan and heat it gently, stirring until all the soap has completely dissolved. Once dissolved, remove from heat, stir in 1 tablespoon of glycerin, and then carefully pour the mixture into your prepared molds or containers. Let it cool and set. You can easily customize your soap jelly. Feel free to add a few drops of your favorite essential oils for a pleasant scent, or a touch of food coloring to give it a vibrant hue. Store your finished soap jelly in airtight containers, and it should last for up to 2 months. This allows you to enjoy your homemade creation for a good while. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic deals, including those amazing darn tough socks, and other helpful resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.